cause I'm always where I'm supposed to be. Keep my niggas close to me, cause I know when they go for me. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I be where the bosses be, judging for my vibe. You can feel it in my energy, stacking paper steadily so I can live in luxury.
So this is a 4.3 cube refrigerator from Target by the name brand of Whirlpool. I believe I got this from Target in the summer on sale for $119. When I open it up, you see all of this. I'm gonna start at the top. On the top, I have some strawberry cream cheese for some bagels that I already ate. I have 1 fruit cup left over. I have some spread. It's for my rice and stuff when I make rice. Then down here, I have some strawberry jelly when I had bread. Moving over, I have some pizza rolls, some pineapples, some chocolate chip pancakes, and I do have salt to go with that. On the next rack, I have some sausage. I think it comes 6 in a pack. Then I have some organic baby spring mix. This is so good. Over here, I'm not going to even get too close to that, but it's chili and yellow rice that I got when I went back home. Down there on the bottom is fettuccine alfredo. Those are $1 at Walmart. Not even $1, I think like 88 cents at Walmart. Perfect for college students. And then I have 3 water bottles over there. In the freezer don't even open, so I know it ain't nothing in there. And I broke it. I know y'all just heard my knees crack. Oh, child. Oh, lady problems. Okay, I'm gonna just leave that alone. I'll have somebody fix it when it's time for me to go. But that's all I have in my refrigerator, y'all.